In this video, I will show you how you can create a QR code using Python which will take you to any specific link. So the first thing you have to do is turn your Wi-Fi on and then go to command prompt and type the following line: pip install pyqrcode. This will install the library which will be needed to make our QR code. As you can see, the library is downloaded. Now let's start with our code. The first thing we will do is import the library pyqrcode, and then we will import QR code from pyqrcode. Now we will make a variable called link and we will paste our link here. You can paste any link you want. Now I am going to paste my YouTube channel's link here. Now let's make one more variable that will make our QR code. So for that, just type pyqrcode.create and in bracket the variable link. After this, we will have to convert our URL into an SVG. So for that, write the name of SVG you want to have and then the scale of the QR code. Thus, our code is completed. Now let's run to check whether it is functioning or not. As you can see, we have got a channel.svg. It will show it in this form, but when you open it from the folder, you can see it. And we have got our QR code. Now, let's test whether this QR code is really true or not. Now we will test the QR code by Google Lens and see whether it really works or not. We have got a link here. If we click on it, and we got our channel, the link which we copied. Hence, this QR code works very well. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos.